Okay.
So what we are going to do here.
So what we are going to do here, what is coming in there is
Yeah. Type 3 problem. Little bit maybe
type
the
3
online
problem.
classes
Little
are
bit
like
maybe
that.
the online classes are like that, little bit disturbing. Okay. So type 3 problem. If you're talking about type 3 problems. So type 3 problem said the number of atoms here, the number of atoms in, okay, number of atoms in given mass of molecule, in given mass of molecule, right? Given mass of molecule. Now, how to do this type of problem, that we need to understand how to do this type of problem. So to do this type of problem, first of all, we have to do step number one. Step number one, calculate the, what to calculate? Calculate the number of atoms in one molecule. Number of atoms in one molecule. This is the first step. Calculate the number of atoms in one molecule. And then we have to go step number two. Multiply, they are saying multiply that number of atoms, not that atom, that number of atoms, where you have to multiply atoms with total number of molecule, with total number of molecules. So if you get to know that is how many atoms are there in one molecule, then simply you can multiply, and easily you will be able to get the answers, right? So what I'm going to do here, that is to calculation of number of atom. Here I am giving the molecules, this is the molecules, and here is number of atoms, in one molecule, one molecule, number of atoms in one molecules is also known as atomicity. Number of atoms in one molecule is something known as atomicity. I think something is I'm writing just behind the screen. Okay, is it visible? Everything is visible to you?
Yes.
Okay, so see, this is number of atoms in one molecule, that is called atomicity, and here is molecule is there. So dear, so 2 3 4 3 7, yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the what I mean to tell you, that is, if you are able to calculate the atoms in one molecule, then you already know the formula how to calculate the number of molecule. Till now what we are doing in the step number 2, that is type 2 problem, we calculated number of molecule. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Now if you got to know that is in step number 2 number of molecule, so number of atoms you can calculate. Why? How can you calculate? Means you need to do the calculation number of atom in one molecule, then multiply with the total molecule. Is there any problem?
No.
So I am phrasing this one. How I am phrasing? That is number of atoms. How I am phrasing this formula? Number of, wait. That is number of atoms in molecule. Number of atoms in molecules is equal to atomicity multiply by total number of molecule. Total number of molecule means n is equal to atomicity. And what is the formula of the atomic? What is the formula of total number of molecule? N into Na. Yes or no? So here, if you see, this is the Avogadro number. This is going to be the Avogadro number. Avogadro number means what? 6.022 into 10 power 23. N is what? Moles. This is the moles. So given mass over molar mass. And atomicity means what? Number of atoms in one molecule. Number of atoms in one molecule. Okay. And here is here. That is number of total atom. Number of total atoms. Number of total TOTA. Number of total atoms. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Mhm.
Okay. Can I change? Are you writing anything of this? What we are studying?
Yes.
Can I erase this one?
Yes.
Okay. Good. Mhm. Now see. This formula you got to know. N is equal to atomicity. N is equal to atomicity into N into Na. Okay. So that is the calculate question. Calculate number of atoms in 2 gram of H2 molecule. See here what is the question? H2 molecule. I think it is the behind the 2 gram H2 molecule. H2 molecule. Now the question is total part of question is visible to you.
Yes.
Okay. Can you try? Can you try? Should I tell you?
No. 12.044.
12.044 into 10 power
23.
23 hydrogen atoms. So you are very brilliant, yaar. Okay. So you calculated. One more problem you please try to do. One more problem. Last problem I'm giving you. That is let me I'm typing here. Better it will be. Okay. Question is there. Calculate number of, okay, number of, I changed a little bit, I changed the concept. Number of oxygen atoms in 180 gram of glucose. Yeah, wait. 180 gram of, you can do the water molecule, not the glucose. You can do the glucose, but later on you do. 180 gram of water molecule, H2O molecule. See, one more concept I want to tell you. One more concept. Okay, before going this. Okay, there in the molecule, if you talk about in the molecule, what you will find in the molecule, there are in molecule different type of atoms are there, na, in molecules or compound. What you will find, different type of atom present. Different types of atom present. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, yeah, no. So if you are talking about suppose C6H12O6, so number of atom, I am talking about number of carbon in one molecule. How many will be number of carbon in one molecule? One molecule of glucose, how many carbon are there?
6.
6. And if you are talking about hydrogen, it is going to be 12. And if you are talking about oxygen, it is going to be 6. So that is, if they are not asking total, they are asking the only one type of, like oxygen they can ask, or carbon they can ask, or hydrogen they can ask. So we need to multiply that number, not the total number of atom. Getting altogether, we need not to do. Is it going to? Is it? So here you go on the first page. Here, what we have done here. What I gave the questions. Yeah, it's I think it's deleted. Okay, question here is here. Question. Let me again rewrite. Calculate the number of oxygen atom in 180 gram of how much H2O molecule. Now tell me, please. It's too simple. Huh.
Okay.
So Arav is your brother, huh?
He's my cousin, yes.
Okay, okay, good, good. And one more boy was there. Last year I was teaching. I forgot his name.
Oh.
I will tell. Hmm.
I think it's just I think it's just 6.0 to 2 times 10 to the 23. Or maybe 60 times
Yeah,
10.
yeah, very good, very good, very good.
60?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Soria, Soria, do you know the Soria also? Soria?
Soria,
Soria, Benipuri.
yeah.
Soria, do you know?
Yeah. He's a
Who is
friend of
he?
mine. He's a
Okay, okay.
friend.
So last year he was studying with me.
Mhm. Yeah,
Last
he
year he was
graduated.
studying. Now this year he went to the college, I think.
Yeah, he
Okay.
graduated this year.
Okay. Okay, so that is you got to know 6.022 into 10 power 23. So that is the three types of problem, 3 or 4 types of problem we got to know. That is number of moles, molar mass you got to know, atomic mass you got to know, and number of molecules you got to know, number of atoms you got to know, number of specific atoms also you got to know. Okay, so the next class we are going to little elaborate, that is how much electron are there or some other type of problem we will go, and the simultaneously will go into, suppose if the gaseous is there, suppose if my room is there, so how many molecules are there in my room, how many molecules of the gases are there in your room. So for the gaseous system also we will go and we'll see that is how to calculate for the gaseous system. Here the given mass was the in the gram. Suppose the mass is given, volume is given in the term of the volume, in the term of milliliter or the liter. So how can you do the calculation? That we will do in the next class. Okay, why I'm going, because I need to go for the one more class. Okay,
Yeah.
she is waiting, I think it is already na 8:30 I was supposed to take. So we'll see you in the later part. Okay, next day, whatever that will come, right?
Thank you. Yes.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay, all the best, God bless you, thank you so much for joining. Okay, bye,
Goodbye.
bye, 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 bye.